Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Subaru Outback brake light, only way. Locate the tail light assembly behind the trunk panel and remove fasteners. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise and pull it straight out. Replace the burnt bulb with the correct type. Press the socket back in and resecure the assembly. Test the brake light with an assistant or by gently pressing the brake pedal before finishing up. Carefully pry the trunk trim or access panel to expose the tail light area and reveal the fasteners holding the assembly in place. Unscrew the retaining bolts while supporting the light housing so it does not drop. Gently pull the assembly outward to access the bulb sockets, avoiding force that could crack the housing. Set the assembly on a soft surface to prevent scratches while you change the bulb. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy car tutorials. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, smart mapping, and hands-off convenience. Perfect after a DIY brake job. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can clean while you work. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Hold the bulb socket firmly and rotate it counterclockwise until it releases from the housing, then pull it out. Remove the old bulb by pulling straight from the socket and dispose of it properly. Handle the new bulb with gloves or a clean cloth, insert it into the socket, and ensure it seats fully. Reinstall the socket into the housing with a clockwise twist and confirm it sits flush before reassembling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.